We're live. I don't know what's going on here. Refresh. There it is. What's up, guys? Okay. Water there, shoot. I need the chat for that. Docs. Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay. All right, cool, guys. Let's keep pushing on this project here. Yeah. So this is downloaded. All right. Let's do ag look with this. Okay, we have that. We need, where do I need this? Okay. Okay. Let me double check. What do we got going on here? Okay. That should be good enough. Oh no. What is that? Okay. Okay. Let's see what we made here. Okay. We will test that here. What's up, Mr. Riz face? What's good, dude? What's good? Oh, dude, this keeps ruining it. All right. So I'm just trying to look at this raw parquet file. What's up, Liminal? I said hi to Mr. Riz face. I rizzed right to his face, dude. Okay? How dare you? All right. So we need to look inside these data sources here just to make sure that everything's looking good and that we can move on to feature engineering. So, well, I was making a, duck database. Okay, perfect. Do you, not yet. No, I don't sell anything. You can get a free trading algorithm from my GitHub though, if you're interested in my work. Yeah, there's a pretty decent one here if you want it. You could sell it. You could sell my trading algorithm if you want to. There it is, free. It's free. I don't know if YouTube, do you care? Like, I don't know what YouTube's on about over there. You can go to my trading algo as well. But currently, we're just trying to just make an all-encompassing list that updates the knowledge for duck database. What's up? What's up, Emery? What's good, guys? If you don't know, there's also a Discord where we share. There's over 500. What's up, Emery? You can join the Discord or go to my GitHub, grab code, or you can just hang out, watch me make this script here. Bro, how much? It's free. What's up, Teeny? I just came out of a meeting in Meta. They said they got a new bot abuse problem left. Oh no. You have to engineer a whole new bot abuse program. Dang, Teeny. Or Tiny. I forgot what we figured out what we were gonna call you. Yeah, man. I believe it. I believe they have a lot of bots going on. A lot of bot action. How could I get it? Dr. Research. It's pretty simple. You just go to the GitHub, my man. I don't know. Yeah, yes, I'm United States Air Force. Yeah, I'm US. I'm a BMET, but also I have to do this on the side. Where did you learn to create a trading bot, and are you selling your bot? No, currently I have one completely for free, and apparently it's very performant. But I don't sell anything until I fully test it. I didn't really fully test that one. That was also like 2 months ago. So I don't sell anything just yet. I will need to start selling something in order to support myself when I get out of the Air Force. So I'm gonna make a school community. It was school versus WAP, and I think school won out because I can have more. Where can I get it? Teeny, it's pretty old. I mean, it's 2 months old, but apparently one of the people in there said he was getting like, I don't know if I believe him, but he was getting like 90% hit rate after fiddling with it. But it is a short term. It's like a 30-second bot, so it is semi high frequency. It's like mid. It's pretty mid frequency, but yeah, it's very. I don't know about the alpha decay. The dude's probably not running it live. He probably did like a back test or something. It's set up in a way that's like it's a paper trading script, so it's unlikely he was able to really change it. It was positive, but it might have been leaking ahead. I don't know what was going on with it. But it's just something to get you guys going, right? This is an example of what we're doing. This is pretty sophisticated, layered math. You guys it just gets you going in the space, right? Like this will get your, this will show you what you can do, right? So it's cool. It's cool to take a look at. But the thing I'm working on right now is gonna be better, hopefully. It's gonna be different. It's gonna be a longer holding time. So, oh yeah, okay, we can keep Grok here. Keep that. S&P 500 didn't go down that much. Okay, cool. I think we gotta talk more about it, brother. I mean, sure, Dr. Research. But, hey, what's up, Chaser? It's been a minute. What's going on, dude? He's the OG Chaser. What's good, my man? Yeah, Dr. Research. I don't know what you want to tell me. Yeah, so I'm about to double check. I'm gonna do a sanity check over these Parquet files, but I have the same data I've been working with for a while, but I perfected the Parquet aspect to it on my Hyperliquid bot, so I don't give up. Oh, okay. Awesome, Tina. Yeah. Where do the trades actually happen? Yeah, on Hyperliquid. We will hyperliquid.xyz is more than likely liminal is where we're going to be looking to trade on. But yeah, I cleaned it up. Yeah, basically perfected this script here. So it's basically run an updated download. So get all the newest data from Binance, pull that data, append it to all of these giant CSV files, take these CSV files, convert those to Parquet files, double check that the Parquet files are legitimate and they're good to go. Maybe do like an outage check, just to know what we're working with, And then I drag that over to here, and this is where we're going to do some feature engineering for these strategies. So Bitcoin perp liminal. We have Bitcoin perpetual data. Can have that automated for future use too. Yeah, exactly, Chaser. My whole thing is like I'm making the internal tools to have like the pipeline ready to go for, you know, basically backtesting, researching, all that jazz to make profitable trading algorithms. Hopefully they become profitable. But yeah, these tools are basically internal tools that people need. People need a way to update their data, get the most fresh data, convert that into a more compressed form like Parquet, and you can run, you know, quicker backtests on it too. So, how could I activate it on my PC? Oh no, doctor. So, Dr. Research, you're gonna have to look up how to run Python on your computer. It's pretty straightforward, depending on what you have, is Mac or PC. You're just going to look up how to run Python software. You're going to have to download VS Code. Okay. I'll get you a link here. Here we go. Code. Here we go. Download this software, and that will basically get you going. And then you go to python.org. There you go. These are the 2 websites you need to get going. There you go. That's how you do it. Done and done. Okay. So we were going to run Python look, and we're going to do ag look. This is probably going to error out. Yeah, exactly. Oh, I changed it. That's right. I changed the name of my files. Aloha, Gustavo. What's going on, my man? What's good, dude? All right, I changed the name. Oh no. Oh no. I didn't paste it. What's good, my man? What's good? Wait, I will immediately pick one, produce a single downloadable. No, I don't want any of that. What's going on there? Okay. All right, new chat. We're going here. Ooh. No. Update, look, and ag. What's up, Jack? Did you self-learn coding? Basically, I use AI to code. Yes, I self-learned how to use AI to code. Spreads widening with the shutdown? Oh, you're talking about like the volatility in the market? They're just slowly... What AI do I use? I use GPT-5 as my main one. So I have the Plus plan. And then I'll use the free Grok 4 Fast, and then I'll use this Gemini Flash Latest. It's pretty good. Yeah, those are the main ones right now. Those are my main AIs. Those are my go-tos. All right. All right, I just want to start, testing these strategies, man. There's so much data. The data stuff is just killer. So much data. Today I set up a conversational RAG over a large model export. Oh, cool, dude. Did you have it working for the big run-up? Yeah, I had something running earlier. Yeah, James, what do you mean? Did I have it working? Oh, you're talking about did I have the algorithm running? No. No. But I did see the big run up. Talking about the 10% move, or it's more than 10% at this point. It's what kind of move was this? Yeah, it's about 10%. Oh wait, it's not actually. It's like 13%. No, I didn't have anything running. Then I'm still working the project. It's a lot. It's a lot going on. Okay. All right, that was ag trades or ad look. And this is yeah, I wish I had the algo running. That'd be nice. Would be nice. Okay. This is doing normal look. Oof. All right. Oh yeah, we wanted to do a polars one as well. Cool. Let my Discord know. Oh yeah, I can do this here. Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Nobody's gonna tell you that you got a haircut. Yeah, Gustavo, are you shocked? I had to cut it, dude. I had to cut it up. Yeah, I had to cut it, and I cut my own hair. I cut my own hair, so I'm well aware. Okay. Well, apparently it's working. It's working. All right. Let's double check if that did it. No. What? No. No, it didn't work. Hey, what's up, Princess Shiny? Princess Shiny, hello. Hello, Shiny. All right. Yeah, you gotta bear with me here because I'm still working this freaking sanity check script. Oh, we can check the other one though. Let's try that. I don't like all this cache here. I need to make sure that they delete the cache. Python ag look. Oh yeah. Maybe I can just change that myself. Can I change it myself? Nope. Okay, well, all right. Thinking Mini is failing me big time. All right. Cache needs to get deleted. That needs to get deleted. Gonna do that. That. Make sure the new duck database. And then I'm going to show them. Okay, that should get me going here. Ooh, top chat. I cut my own hair during the pandemic. Can't get the back right. Yeah, it's really hard, dude. I just go. It's okay. In a couple more months, I won't have to cut my hair this short. Just grow it out and get the afro going, the full fro. Get real goofy looking with giant beard. No, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna look like. Civvy life is another thing. See, I think I need to do a post. Let's see if I can do that.
Today's episode of White People Doing Shit.
Okay, well, maybe I won't. The barber robot isn't far off. Yeah, hopefully. I used the double mirror trick. That'd be cool. Just having a robot barber. Just any sort of robot doing all my household chores would be wonderful. A Tesla bot. Do they have a robot massage? Oh, I heard about that thing. It's like big knuckles, and it's just like, how do you share the screen on TikTok? On TikTok? This is it here. This is it. This is how you do it. It's called TikTok Live Studio, and it's only on Windows, apparently. So you're gonna add sources here, display capture. It's kind of like OBS. But yeah, that's the program right there. Display capture, exactly. And then you're gonna choose your monitor. Yeah, I know. Did you go to my link? My bad, dude. I want to promote it, but I also don't have my website up. And yeah, I own the domain, Dorp. Yeah. You can ask. You're very best. Sorry. I'm just promoting it, man. Why can't I promote it without having it up? my bad, dog. You can ask me questions here. I'm right here, man. You don't need to go to the website. You can just chat me here, dude. I'm right here, live. I'm live. Real person. Yeah, I'll have to get that up and running. Maybe we can work that in a second here. The thing is I don't know what it's supposed to be. I have too many ideas. We're gonna just quickly do this. Yeah, what should my website be? Obviously, I want to, I'm gonna make a school community, so maybe it's just gonna be a funnel. But also, I do have another website called Sheeples. Maybe that can be like my free education, because it's already kind of financial. It's kind of already like financially set up. It's been around for a minute, so maybe this could be like the free education aspect to it. But maybe the QuantDev.ai can just be a funnel, right? Hey, look, it's a golden sheep. I made this back in the day. Trying to understand the GitHub bot. How do you calculate trading signals? Yeah, Gustavo, I would get AI on your side there. You're interested? Yeah, of course. I'm just building this live right now, but also, okay, Are you looking at 30-second, Gustavo? At the core, you're gonna have to just copy paste this into AI and be like, just break it down for me. Like, what is this trading algorithm? How does it work? Where is the signal coming from? What is the microstructure edge that we're looking at? Hey, what's up, Chance? What's going on? It goes today. This is my second live stream of the day after a break. So we're locking in here. Wait, I was over here. Yeah. So I'm also testing out I'm live streaming on the shorts on YouTube now instead of the horizontal. So I need you, robot bro. Yeah, best jumper, you can get the robot, bro. It's on my GitHub. Trading algo, here. Now, if you don't know what to do with this trading algo, you can do that, or you can search me up by owner Dylan Siegel. So if you don't know what to do, then you're probably gonna need some AI education, okay? You're gonna have to go and talk to AI or wait for my course to come out. Up to you. The best one is go talk to AI. Okay. Oh, okay. Interesting. Yeah, CS50 is like super basic, but or do you have to finish it or you just want to do it? Yeah, Habibi, you can follow me and technically you could sign up for it, but there's nothing up there. But it's there. I don't recommend signing up for that just yet. I still have to work everything in there. This is like a fresh one. But how much did I price this at? I don't even remember what I priced it at. I have to price it kind of expensive, guys, because Bon, I code. Man, I swear I've been studying it because it's DRL, and when I realized it, my mind was blown. What's DRL? Oh, you're looking at the Sheeples bot. Oh, don't look at that. This is original. This is like OG, like 9 months ago, 10 months ago. I don't think this even runs. This was like stuff I was doing back when AI barely could do anything. I mean, this was pretty sophisticated for what I was doing back then. I forgot which AI I was able to do this with, but I don't even think I was using. Oh, I was using PyTorch. Okay. Yeah, this was just like throw it up. I don't even know if it was working. Well, what are we coding right now? Right now we're trying to sanity check my Parquet files, but we're about to do some back testing on this data. We're going to convert it into some feature engineering. Yeah, the deep reinforcement. Yeah, sorry. I should probably delete this because it's going to confuse you. The real algo is the trading algo here. Sheeple's CryptoBot is a super old project. I would not. I mean, it's definitely got the core things down for that. But I could do this way better. If I wanted to do this again, this would be. Where do you get the data to feed the algo? Too easy. Free data for you, sir. Icarus. This is where I get the data. Aggregated trades is going to be 180 gigabytes, so beware. But if you convert it to Parquet, you can get it down to 30 gigabytes. So, but yeah, you can get the entire history for most coins on Binance. And you can do some pretty sophisticated stuff with it. Yeah, it's not full order book and it's not the full granularity that you want for like super microstructure stuff, but for most people, that's gonna. I would just get out of MT5. I don't like MT5. I have some beef with MT5. It's no good. It's no good. Now MT5 is just kind of. It's like they tried making their own coding language, and it's just like really bad. But then they tried to convert. It's just a nightmare to use. It just doesn't seem legit. I'd rather just have the API in the WebSocket. That's all I really need. Okay. Oh yeah, here it is. Perfect. Python ag look. Yeah, I understand, but I don't know where else to get in. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to go to Data Bento and pay for it. gRPC, Teeny. I've tried it, man. I know. I messed with the gRPC. Yeah, for Hyperliquid, no, I've connected the gRPC. I've looked into the flash loan stuff y'all were talking about. I'm pretty sure I made like a flash loan arbitrage bot. I don't even remember where it was. I have something already hooked up. Maybe I deleted it. I don't know where it went. I will buy it for you. The gRPC? Oh, Data Bento? I know. I'm sorry, guys. I should probably delete that. Okay. Guys, you're forcing me. You're forcing me to change it. We're just gonna go QuantDev. I know. I shouldn't be promoting the link just yet. Okay, I changed it. I need to have the website up and running for y'all to click on. Sorry. Just joined. What algo are you using? Currently, we're just trying to work this data right now. It's currently pointing to the wrong. I'm going to change it super quick here. What keyboard do I have? I have an Aula F99 Pro. Do I manually trade as well? Not really. If there's like a crazy opportunity, maybe I'll take it. Yahoo trends to have... Yeah, what kind of data does Yahoo... Is it only daily? Is it 1 minute? What does a QuantDev do? Program? No. Quantitative finance stuff. It's like quantitative. I mean, we make trading algorithms. Well, that's what I define it as. Do you have a MQL file? No, no expert advisor stuff. I could make an expert advisor bot, but it's going to be lame. Yeah, Kaggle has some decent data sets, but Binance is got the best. Unfortunately, no one can really beat the amount of data you can get from Binance here is insane. So obviously you can pay for data. If you're going to pay for data, you could have unlimited data. What happened? What happened here, TikTok? You need me? No, TikTok doesn't need me. Okay. QRise? Yeah, see, you are QRise. I have made one and it's on test, but I need it to be... Yeah, exactly. I'm perfecting my thing too. I'm super OCD about the perfect code. Make sure it just works really quickly, optimized. This is ag look. Okay. How long have you been live today? Currently, been 34 minutes, but I had like a couple hours earlier in the morning. So, moneymaker. I've been live. I've been live for a little bit. Yeah, the growth when you're live is pretty cool. I just need to, can you help me on perfecting my EA? It's just impossible. You need to just go to Python, dude. You can't perfect an expert advisor because it's broken. You're coding on a broken language that's garbage, and you're gonna like run into the headaches. It's basically the worst coding language known to man. Are you downloading the data or using an API? So you're talking about getting my data from Binance, I have this whole download script here. So if you go to my Discord, there is this code file in there. So if you need the Discord, it's right here. So you can find a download script for the Binance data. So that will get you going. It looks like this. I guess this is a web scraping agent or a web scraping, just web scraper, looks like. Yeah, I don't know. Yep. Build a stat arb model, works well for day trading. Yeah, I have this, you built one? I have this one here, probabilistic microstructure trading algo. Yeah, I built a bunch of stuff. Made a Q learning, okay. Yeah, high frequency trading I'm not gonna be able to trade on. So unfortunately, I really tried to stay like 30 seconds plus, just to keep everything going. Unless I'm doing like market making, then maybe I can do like 10 seconds, 5 seconds maybe. But yeah, my latency is no good with the Hyperliquid. No, I don't, you can't. Yeah, I know what you're saying, MoTrades. You're trying to convert a human-based concept into code, which is not the way you want to do it. You want to just stick with the best microstructure math, the best signals, not something that's human cult like. Python is not difficult. Yeah, exactly. There's so much better edge when it comes to using Python code or just in general like math that's not for human. Yeah, you don't want to take a human-based strategy. What about STDV trading for top ticking? No, I never heard of it. How can I learn this? You can just join along here, XD. I don't know what the STDV. I've never heard of that one. Top ticking and bottom ticking. Is that like Wix? Yeah. So you're just thinking about one singular piece of math. A trading algorithm is a combination of complementary signals. So if you just think solely on one thing, it's not going to work. And that's just like one signal. You need so many other certain layers in the trading algorithm that you're probably better off doing something different. What are you implementing this through? Currently, we'll end up probably trading this on Hyperliquid, futures trading. So we'll probably end up trading on Hyperliquid. We're probably gonna launch my algorithm on different exchanges as well. But right now, we need to update this. You said limit order and sell usually from, oh, no. No, that's not gonna work out, Mo. I knew nothing before I learned Bash in 6 months. Now all languages feel the same. Yeah, exactly. If you learn one thing and and then once you're just using AI to code, it's just like you're just using English to code at this point. You got 50% range. Yeah, MoTrades. That's still a human-based thing. It's too simple. It would easily be just you get wrecked. If you tried trading that, you get wrecked. For sure. Especially with high leverage. Stuff that I'm doing might be shorter term, but also it's going to be based on a little bit different. Oh, it works. But where? Okay, this is silly. Ag look. What intraday algos? Yeah, you can go check one out on my GitHub if you're interested in looking at the code. You can go to, I like to use a lot of order flow imbalance stuff, microstructure math. So you can take a look at that one. if you're interested. So you're saying AI codes are useless? No, I'm saying you should use AI to code everything. It's the most useful. So wait, how so remote access Trojans work in, wait, what? And how easy to realize you have one. I'm not trying to do anything illegal, dude. I don't like hacking. It's so stupid. Y'all are tripping about hacking because some people idealize that. I'm trying to build something legitimate. Where do I find that? Sorry, I didn't hear. Yeah, you can go to my GitHub. It's right here. It's just trading algo, it's called. Hold on, I don't know what I just clicked there. Yeah, so you can either do that or you can search up this, owner Dylan Siegel. That will also get you there. Fresh fade, Unc. Yeah, Philippe. We got faded up by my own hands here. Yeah, duck database here. Yeah, I'm backtesting right now is what we're doing. Hey, again, I just switched to Rust. There you go, boy. C# is not for me. There you go, dude. Yeah, Rust is such a more pleasant developer experience. There is a little bit of an issue when you're like, trying to run it and you like build. There's like a little bit of a slow thing there, but it's actually quite pleasant. You get good. It's all about the error message, man. The better the error message, the better you're gonna be able to code. So Rust gives you really good error messages. How do you connect to a bot for auto trading? You have through API or WebSockets or gRPC. There's a whole bunch of different ways to connect. Oh, okay, yeah, order flow and balance is for sure. In Mo trades, I'm sure you're thinking order flow in terms of the visual aspect. Yeah, really, yeah. See, I've been there, dude. I tried all coding. Like, I haven't tried C#, but I could imagine it's very similar to C++. It wasn't cool. Like, it wasn't fun. But yeah, Mo trades. Yeah, order flow and balance. That algo I showed you in my GitHub, that's an order flow and balance type algorithm. So you can study that, and you can run it if you know how to run it. Similar to Java. Interesting. I don't mess with Java either. I feel like I don't like Java. No, I don't like MQL, EA, all that stuff. It's so stupid. Yeah, of course, Mo. Full code file. Actually, we full code file over here. What was that? Yeah, I don't like Java too. Yeah, all those things are just crazy to me. I like Python. What? Huh? Yeah, I like Python. I like Rust. I like JavaScript better than React and all those other ones. Can we get your bot? Yeah, man, you can go get the bot right now. It's on the... There's a bot. I have a free public bot for everyone to study. What AI am I using? I'm using GPT-5. I'm using Grok 4 Fast. And we're using Gemini Flash latest. So I use GPT-5. I pay for the Plus plan. And then I use free Grok and free Gemini Flash latest. You could get a lot done with just these two. Yeah, Flavio, go ahead and take the algo. You take it. I hope you can AI code. People forget that, like, I can give them the most sophisticated algo that'd be profitable, but you need to take this and then you need to rework this for your own system, right? Whichever brokerage you're going to do. So it takes significant understanding of AI coding in order to bring this to a workable thing. Right now, it's just basically paper trades. Yeah, Best Jumper, you can, like I said, there's one on the GitHub here. It's called Trading Algo, which is the best. GPT-5 is the best. You can, called Trading Algo. You guys can see 6 people forked it already. Oh yeah, Marquise has forked it. Yeah, some forks. People taking and doing their thing, man. Let them cook with their algo. All right. What do we do here? Yeah, we need to delete the duck database stuff. For API, we have to pay? Which API? I don't know what you're talking about. There's some APIs you pay. Everything, whatever's in my trading algo is completely free. If you can use whatever broker you want. You just have to take the code and work the code to your broker. This right now connects to Hyperliquid, a free WebSocket. It will paper trade that. It will collect some data about that paper trading performance, and you can run the report over it. So it's a pretty sophisticated paper trading strategy in the trading algo script. Yeah, thanks for the roses, man. Oh, you sent a dolphin too. Rust is the best. Yeah, I haven't used Rust in a minute. Yeah, of course, guys. Let me try. Yeah, you can try. You go try. Yeah, if you know how to run Python. Yeah, of course, dude. Yeah, I'm just trying to keep it real with everyone. I know I might not be like a traditional dev, but I have so much experience running code, and this is all you really need. Like, it's all about the developer environment. Like, is it fun to run the code? And is it easy? Like, am I getting good like errors in the terminal and like all this stuff? And it's like, yeah, AI coding's for the win here. Do you believe in Algo robot? How much percentage? And please, Forex Mentor Hub. But I need to learn Python. Well, actually, you need to learn how to use AI to make Python. This is a completely different fundamental shift. If I can, I'll refactor it in Bash. Yeah, I mean, if you could refactor that in Bash, I'd be pretty impressed, but I don't think you're capable. I don't think it's actually, Bash is like an interoperable thing. If you can, maybe you can do it. To my understanding, Bash is something that like, it works within the ecosystem, but it's not necessarily a full trading language. But you could definitely prove me wrong, Gustavo. I have no idea. I'm not too familiar with, I've run Bash stuff, and I see that when you run like Codex, it likes to run Bash stuff. I don't. I tried for a minute. I literally, it took me 3 seconds to realize that it's not that good. Not that good. No. Yeah. Okay, they did push this back up. It wasn't that good. Yeah, of course. I want to ask if you have dark pool data. Yes. No, you're talking about like Solana data? Or are you talking about like, I don't have that crazy data. All I have is Binance data. Are you talking about like data that's off chain? Or I guess you're talking about the OTC market? Minimax, interesting. I don't know really what Minimax is. Just like about use subprocesses. Oh, okay, in Bash you use Heredox. Okay. Yeah. I think it'd just be easier to use Python, but it's okay. You can try the Bash. Yeah, Bash is interesting. But it's only for like Windows, right? It's like a Windows only thing? Or is it a Mac thing? Do you work for a company? Yeah, I do this on my own. Where did I go to school? I went to University of Iowa back in the day, dude. That was way back in the day. Yeah, I'm a Hawkeye. But yeah, I definitely did not learn this at University of Iowa. Also, I'm not a big proponent of college right now because AI is so incredible. Okay, this is ag look. Code E8's way nicely. No, I don't like expert advisor. Is that what you're saying? Bash is a Unix shell. It's Windows and Unix. So, oh, okay. Can I have a link for the bot? Yeah, how many times do I need to send you a link, dude? It's at the GitHub. There is the GitHub. It's called Trading Algo. There's only 2 things there. Avoid the sheeples crypto bot. Can we trust on TradingView strategy? No, absolutely not. Your data is peaking ahead. It is not 100% profitable. You got to understand. TradingView is not a sophisticated backtest thing. It's just like completely irrelevant. The algorithm is looking ahead and seeing data it would never see in a live environment. I'm pretty sure there's ways to minimize that, but it's like you're clearly looking ahead if you're getting 100% trade. Thanks for the gifts, guys. It's crazy. Unix friendly. But yeah. Let's see here. I guess we'll rerun this to see if it did anything. Nope. You didn't paste the link. Are you sure? I see it right there. Okay. What's your daily? Maybe you don't see it. So you're going to go to GitHub and you're going to type in owner. Here it is. There it is. You're going to type that into the GitHub search. What's your daily return on average percentage-wise? No, I don't have anything running live right now. What trading platform are you building for? We're building for most crypto dexes, but the main one is going to be hyperliquid.xyz. Is going to be the main. That's where I have like some money to play around with on the Algo side. Yeah, I got money loaded up there, and these decentralized exchanges allow you to do market making and profit from rebate stuff, and it seems pretty cool. It's a lot of opportunity on these dexes, and also you can do like these flash loan stuff, and it's, you can also do the smart contract algos and all sorts of cool stuff. But yeah, there's plenty of ideas out there. All right, wait, what happened here? So, do you at any point think you'll need someone in business development? Or no, I'm a solopreneur. I actually have all of the skills needed to do everything. To get to this point, I needed to, know graphic design. I know web app. I know mobile app. I know basically literally so much beyond what we're just doing here. The amount of business acumen that I've developed, like that's the reason why I'm live streaming here. That's why I was able to build 6,000 followers in 2 months and all these things, right? Like I'm a solopreneur, and all these skills you need to have. And this is kind of where I've learned. It's all in one, yeah. Yeah, I literally know so much about coding and about how to get AI to do essentially everything. Oh yeah, Agoro. Right now we are just. This is going to be a feature engineering. So we're looking at a bunch of different Parquet data files, and we're just going to, run this through some code to. We're basically going to make a backtesting data set, and then we're going to backtest on it. So this is kind of the beginning of it. I'm just trying to make sure that the data. Well, actually, here, I know for a fact that aggregated trades has outages. I just want to map them so that when we do feature engineering, that that my AI is aware of the data outages. Yeah, Agoro, I have a Discord. Here you go, free Discord. Y'all can join up. Did you go to university, or I'm self-taught in this, but I did go to university 10 years ago. Can you test my strategies and keep it? No, it would just slow me down, dude. I'm testing my own stuff. That sounds like a waste of time. Is it okay if I private message you? Yeah, of course, dude. Like I said, y'all can keep this this link handy when I'm gonna start producing content for this school. I don't know if y'all can afford it. It'll probably be 100 plus per month, and no, I did not major. This is all self-taught AI stuff. So I am going to launch a school community where I'm going to, kind of condense all my knowledge here. And then obviously, if you're part of the community, I'll give you the trading algorithms that I make and stuff. So there'll be plenty of incentive to join, particularly at the price that I'm probably going to need to price it at. But yeah, I'm just building everything live, so everything's free right now. So you don't need to pay. The Discord has plenty of code. The real takeaway is learn how to use AI to code. Learn to use AI for literally everything. Yeah, AI is very, very good at a lot of things, okay? It can get you going. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right, Robin? Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, the aggregated trades. But yeah, I do need to work that. I'll work this. Also, I'll make sheeples.com into like the free education site. So you can mark this one too. It kind of already is the free education site, but this is my first project I've ever made. This was made with this is like made in 2022, I feel like. This was so long ago. This is like all AI generated. Even the little logos, and you can get my links there. But yeah, this has been sitting around, so it's actually pretty valuable link now. So this could potentially be something. Thanks for the follow, man. Yeah, so, but my QuantDev.ai script, I have it right here. Let's see here. What do I got going on here? Show the preview. Oh, maybe it doesn't work. Just made an AI script that takes a GitHub URL, makes folders, and oh, cool. Oh, I see. Yeah, Gustavo, you're all about the bash, dude. That sounds like the perfect. It's almost like the Zapier. That's very, very cool. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing with my website. I was like literally trying to make a trading view and like have the trading, like literally once you connect, you can see like a hero section where like a trading algorithm is like buy, sell. Cool concept. What's the best EA trading? There's none of them. All of them are so bad and scammy because you're coding on a bad programming language. You're coding on something that's super deprecated, no good. You're like taking Python, converting it to MQ5L, then who knows what's going on there. It's so limited. Stay away from EA, stay away from that whole platform. It's no good. Highly recommend if you're into the prop trading firm, you do like Project X. Project X. I will do a prop trading algorithm that gets you funded. Okay, and it'll be exclusively for the school community. But yeah, I'm gonna do. I have a lot of things planned. QuantDev.ai for sure is in the works. Again, it didn't print. Or am I? No. Okay, I want something different here. All right. I want a summary. What is that graph? It was just some. It was like a trading. It was a trading view style graph that I made in JavaScript. It's affordable in Meta 5. Wait, what? No, I don't code for a living. No. Hopefully soon I will. I'm really trying to push this. I want to do this entrepreneurially. That's why I'm really pushing hard on doing all this stuff. But yeah, that graph was just the QuantDev.ai website. It was just a trading, like as soon as you go to the website, it'll be like a trading algorithm that you can just kind of see working paper trading. Technically a signal, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that website. I'll probably have some sort of demonstration like that where it's like, here's a fully fledged trading algorithm running right now. Like click run, and you can like see it trading. So. Let's see, what do you do for a living right now? Yeah, I'm a biomedical equipment technician in the Air Force, and I get out in January. So I'm excited. I put my time in, set myself up for something hopefully pretty nice. And Mr. DDoS, are you not using AI to code? Do not get stuck in that mindset where you can't use AI to code. Use AI to code. It will make you DDoS everybody so quickly. Oh, for school? Oh, that sucks. Even AI coding on your own will make you learn something quicker, right? Yeah, I guess I know what you're saying. It's tough. It's really difficult to memorize all the syntax, kind of understand where that syntax leads to. What does that mean when it runs through the thing? It's like, yeah, exactly. Yeah, dude, it's free. Yeah, completely free. Here's the Discord. I don't know if you can see that. The Discord link is also here. Let's see. Hey, 6,300. That's what's up. Cool. I want to summary the data printed in the terminal that shows the AI data structure and all relevant information needs. Me, just a poor American warehouse worker. Why do you Americans work so much? Yeah, I mean, I took the day off today, but yeah, the hardest thing for me is translating a question in a code. Oh yeah, Mr. D. Dude, AI can help you so quickly, dude. I know it's against the rules, but use AI to help you self-learn. Yeah, I mean, I'm driven, dude. I want to not struggle. It's very expensive to live here in the US. Like, my monthly expenses for what I'm getting paid, like, and I live frugally, in a way. It's not good. So I need to earn my keep. But yeah, this is, yeah. That's dope though. I think I applied one time to an Amazon warehouse. They didn't take me, dude. This was before I joined the Air Force. They didn't want me. They didn't like me. But maybe that was for the better. Because now I'm here doing this, not making any money, but who cares? The potential. The potential is there. Okay, I need a summary of the data printed, blah, 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 blah. All right, let's see if that works. Mike Perron, thank you for the follow. Okay, now, what do we got going on here? Bitcoin is like really about to break out again, I feel like. It's right there. Being a dev is way more fun than being a wage slave. BTC for life. Yeah, I understand what you're saying, dude. Now, I don't want to bring it down. You can use colorful language to describe someone. I mean, I'm in the Air Force. Like, I'm literally, I couldn't leave my job if I wanted to. Like, I couldn't quit. They could literally put me in jail. So, yeah, man, I'm just trying to be an entrepreneur, solopreneur. When you finish this, could you sell it? Yo, 100% object. You're just that important, right? Yeah, they don't want to lose their investment in me. Yeah, exactly. How much your strategy earn a month? I have nothing has been run live yet. So we're about to back test the strategies right now. We're still in research phase. Yeah, exactly. I know. Sometimes it can be. But yeah, object, this is 100% could be sold. I could sell technically this trading algo right here. People would pay good money for this strategy right here. That's free for everyone to use. This is a legitimate strategy. This is valuable code. Like people, this would have taken $1 million to make before AI. Do you know any good Robinhood trading? So Robinhood, you're not able to trade. You're only able to trade via API on crypto, I believe. So if you're talking about trading crypto, like spot, I don't know if you can do margin. Like it's very limited. If you're on Robinhood, it's not a good brokerage for API calls. You're gonna want to move off that, make your life easier. Yeah, Robinhood doesn't have a good API to algo trade. It's more for people who are just getting started. It really is. Like the charting is not good. It's very user friendly though, so, but not when it comes to deving. Hold on. Yeah, it would just get off. If you're trying to do algo trading and you're trying to do it professionally, IBKR, Interactive Brokers. How can I run a backtest chart in your strategy? Yeah, exactly, Johnny. John, you could. Like, if, for example, if you wanted to take this strategy and backtest it, you're gonna need the data that it works with. This works with order book data and tick level data. So you're gonna need at some point L2 data in order to work this offline. Now, when you run this code, it actually builds a data set for you, and that's the so when you run 30S, you're building the data set and you just run 30Z to backtest it. So it's already kind of built in, the run it live, see the performance, backtest it, get a summary. Oh, yeah, I keep my projects very, very short. I know when you're doing web dev stuff and it gets super long and all this stuff, but you're gonna have, when I make a web dev program, or like I'm doing web dev stuff, I specifically program it in a way that is chunked out in context. So each, like I basically program it to have certain context windows. So with my Python scripts, like I literally, this is like one of the longer ones I have, and let's see, this is not even like, I don't know, maybe 30,000 tokens. This is barely, I mean, it's 5,000 lines of code. You can check it here. And honestly, this is overly, hey, what's up, Akira? Yeah, so there are certain programming ways that literally I will program and design my file structures around the context window. But actually, if you're really going over 1 million context window with like Gemini Flash latest, then it's, I don't know, you might be doing too much. So yeah, okay, 72, so it's a little bit under 100. What's up, Hugo? This is the longest Python project I have, and this is just to download data. But this is well within the context window. Multi-stage data pipeline designed to acquire, consolidate, validate, and transform raw. Yeah, that's a pretty dope way to say it. This system is a robust multi-stage data pipeline designed to acquire, consolidate, validate, and transform raw Binance perpetual futures market data into an optimized, query-ready Parquet format for quantitative finance research and feature engineering. That's sick, dude. I like the way that, I like that. It's way more articulate than I could, I could say it. I want to teach my kids Python. Do you think that's a good idea? You should teach your kids how to use AI in general. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, your kids should know that they can generate any software on the fly from AI, that they can do sophisticated data analysis with AI, they can do sophisticated math with AI, they can do so much with AI, and that's kind of the overall idea. It's like you need to teach your kids how to use AI to its maximum capabilities. Well, you would think you would start outside of AI, but actually you just need to ask AI where to start, right? You need to learn how to use AI. It sounds like AI will get you to where you can teach your kids AI, and it's just a self-iterative loop. Be like, you literally ask that question to AI. Yeah, I know it's crazy, right? People are like, oh, where do I go? It's like, no, go directly to the source, which is the AI, because it will tell you the best way to do it. No. Siri is not AI. You can talk to ChatGPT. She's okay, but understand when you talk to the AI, it's stupid. They dumb it down, and it's like it's specifically designed in a way to be less capable than chatting with it. If you chat with it like within text, it's much more sophisticated. So. Yes, exactly. GPT-5, you can use Grok 4 Fast, or you can use Gemini Flash Latest, which is free. So, yeah, there's some free ones out there that you really don't need to pay, but I pay. Huh? Okay, what's going on here? What do I use GPT-5? Majority of the intelligence and a lot of everything I do here relies on GPT-5's intelligence. It's very smart. It's very good at math. It's very good at coding. There are some quirks and certain things that you got to understand, but for most people's purposes, it's going to be incredible. Actually, it's going to be overkill. Grok is less feisty. Yeah, I believe it. I feel like GPT would be better than Fork. Got anything working yet? Sanjay, no, nothing's up and fully running where I'm like, yeah, this is the best. Can you get ChatGPT in VS Code for free if you have a valid, I don't think so. I don't know. Maybe you can. I have to look into that. I don't think you can. I think you still have to pay $20 a month. Maybe you're talking about Copilot? Like Copilot might offer, oh wait, do I have oh yeah, reset, nice. Yeah, they have GPT-5 mini, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I think you just have to fork up the $20 a month. Do you like to use Linux? I actually don't enjoy it that much. I do have the WSL. I do use it. I have a server blade next door that sometimes I connect to. Kind of irrelevant right now for what I'm doing. But yeah, Linux would be, I was looking into, so when you're looking at like data processing, I started a computer world pack window. Oh, okay. Awesome, man. Yeah, the only reason I would use WSL right now is to access the CUDA, what is it? The GPU-based data processing. I think it's like, what is it? CUDF? CUDF? Something with using the GPU to process data, but it was kind of overkill. It was like too much effort. XRP, hold or sell? I don't want to say it. It looks like Bitcoin's going to break out, dude. That to me looks like it's going to test that. So if Bitcoin breaks out, then yeah, this looks like we're holding, dude. You're holding. Tricks like using synonyms, different words, and versus formal language can boost vector use. Interesting. I didn't know that. Pudgy penguins? I don't know. I mean, look, if Bitcoin breaks out, then everything's gonna go up, dude. It looks. I mean, that's usually how that play goes. And it looks like it's kind of doing the opposite of what. Well, it's not that bad. I like all the crypto, man. We're gonna trade it all. Okay, Pudgy penguin, doo-doo coin, whatever it is, dude. We'll have the algo trading on all of the coins, dude. This is the goal. Buy some Aster. Oh, okay. I'm gonna trade on Aster for sure. I'm definitely gonna trade on Aster and Avantis. Yeah. But yeah, I do not have spare cash, unfortunately. This is where I'm trying to work towards that. Having spare cash here, full code file. Currently up 1K in those. Oh, cool, man. Awesome. Yeah, crypto's awesome when you're not leverage trading and you're just kind of holding. You just use ChatGPT code? Well, I use it for literally everything, John. Literally everything. Yeah, if I can't use AI to do what I need to do, then it's like I don't know what I'm doing. You can use AI for literally everything. What language? We're using Python right now. Yep, Mohammed. Currently using Python. Yep, biggest problem in society? I don't know, there's plenty of those. We got a lot of problems, man. Let me get some water here. ASMR drip. Biggest problem in society. I would say they don't know how to use AI. No, it makes you smarter, dude. It makes you smarter. I don't know how people are using AI where it makes you stupider. It's kind of wild. Like, yeah, I mean, people might judge you, be like, "Oh, you're using AI," but that's good. Like, you're being smart if you're working quick. Do you want to make an arbitrage bot? Yeah, I'll make an arbitrage bot. I'll make a flash loan arbitrage bot. I actually tried doing that the other day. Seems pretty difficult. But actually it might be worth it because it's kind of like any keywords and the model still follows along. Interesting. Cool, Gustavo. But someone called me dumb because I was using, well, they are actually the stupid one, okay? And that's what I'm saying. You're getting peer pressured into not using AI. QuantDev coding with VS Code. There you go. What is that? Why is that laugh emoji? See, here we go. Toto's coming in with that laugh emoji energy. What stage are you at in creating the bot? I'm basically 90% there. I just need to research the strategy. I have all of the internal tools in order to get everything going. I have access to the good L2 data from Hyperliquid. I have access to this data, which is going to be more 5-minute plus style horizons or longer term. It's more like swing trades, momentum, all that stuff. A padlock on a door? That needs a lockpick. Yeah, Gustavo, I don't know. You're going deep in the vector space, dude. too deep in the vector space, dog. You're in that latent space, man. You need to escape. Escape the latent space. Which one was this? We're using that VS Code, dude. No NeoVim. Ag look. All right. Okay, let's see if we get a little report from here. Why don't you use Claude 4.5? The usage. My main reason is that when I have the $20 per month plan, it doesn't give you as much code. And the way I do things, I need tons of tokens. Oh, now I know what you're saying, Vincent. That's a cool they're like reversing age in monkeys with the senescent stem cell stuff. Whatever that is. What type of strategy are you going to be using? Pre-existing one, or does the bot just study? Yeah, above all, you can actually take a look at the Discord. I actually copy pasted the strategy file here. This giant file is a bunch of different ideas. Yeah, that's dope. Like, they're gonna legit reverse engineer aging, and they're just gonna be like, yo, you just get younger, just take a shot. Which is more demanding? AI engineering for sure. Cybersecurity is kind of like it's like using third-party tools that it's like using it's basically like using Photoshop or something. You're really not doing much besides like monitoring, and you have just like you're not able to really do much besides like use these pre-existing tools. Yeah, it's a very corporate style job. Yeah. AI engineering is going to be more profitable too. It's going to be yeah. AI engineering for the win, for sure. Cybersecurity is fun. I don't know. I mean, there's so much. It's such a broad field. Obviously, like penetration testing, like making software like that hacks would be fun and more sophisticated. I don't know, it'd be cooler. You'd probably get a harder time getting the AI to give you that. But if AI did give you that, you could make some crazy stuff. But there are ways to unlock the GPT. Oh. You can get Claude Max and get Pro. Yeah, for $200 a month. What? Yeah, whatever you're talking about, Auto Clipper, it would cut me off so quickly. GPT-5 has not cut me off at all, which is great. For $20 a month, the amount of usage I've gotten out of this is insane. Hardware, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I guess like when the operating system's like fully AI based and all that stuff, like certain things are gonna be interesting. And then when they make the quantum computer, like then all software has just been hacked. Have you ever tried running your own chatbot with a llama? Yeah, I've messed around with some local models before. I use what is it, LM Studio, to run locally. I really don't mess around with that too much. It's yeah, I don't really mess with LM Studio too often. There's no point because the GPT-5 is just so much better than all the open source stuff. The data science, it's solid background for AI. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're gonna have to do something very, very, yeah. If I was in college, I would just go full entrepreneur, do exactly, basically copy what I'm doing. Go live, work your projects live, show people you're passionate about, whatever you're doing. Show them that you're AI coding and doing the most sophisticated, like running the most sophisticated code. And of course, just learn leet code, whatever, for the corporate people. But yeah, that's, yeah, you need to build an audience. You need to get in front of people. And basically using TikTok or YouTube, whatever it is, Instagram. How do I go live on Instagram? That's my question, dude. Is Instagram live, like, legit? Huh. I'm gonna have to get that set up one day. Yeah, that's one of the in America, do they teach coding in the, no. You're in, in America, you get indoctrinated and, you know, you basically get taught nothing useful. Unfortunately. DM, so I show you how to go. No, I know I can do it. I just never looked into it. I'm sure it's just like a click of a button, but I would wonder if the issue is I'm live on YouTube. I'm live on TikTok right now. So I'm on two platforms, and that's the issue. That's the big issue. So I don't know. No, I'm not, but I did live in Germany for 3 years. I lived in Kaiserslautern. Ja, ist guten, Dan? No, I'm not German. I feel like my ancestry is definitely European. I don't remember what it was. It was Polish or something. It was probably Scandinavian. It's, you know, Polish. I don't know if you consider that Scandinavian. But yeah. A European at some point. Back in the day. Way back in the day. Okay, to complain because we tried to use the window function. Oh. What's going on, guys? All right. We're gonna get this. Man, yeah, I'm coding in Python right now, Dan. Yeah. Yeah, all right, let's see what look does. Python look. Does that even work? We'll see what it does. Sorry, we can't really see the screen. What, really? Wait, what? What happened? Did you freeze? You should. Are you talking about in? Yeah, Mohammed, if you go. Wow, that really slammed the GPU there, or my CPU. If you turn it sideways, yeah, unfortunately, seeing my screen is going to be tough. You can go to YouTube and I have it more zoomed in on the VS Code. But other than that, my reading the exact stuff is going to be tough. I used to go live horizontally on YouTube so people can actually see the screen, but there's really no growth in that because I want people to. It's also really not growing. I don't know. It's definitely getting more views than it would if it was horizontal. So, I don't know. I'm just playing around with things. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to. Yeah, unfortunately, the screen is very small. Shoot. I didn't want to run that again. Cancel. Let's see if this works. But yeah, guys, yeah, I probably should go live when I'm running the strategies already. This is kind of boring, you guys. I'm literally stuck in the freaking sanity check loop. How about this, guys? I'm gonna push this offline, and then I will come back with the live testing, which will be a little more exciting. It'll be more. But we shouldn't just AI code. We should also learn to code. No, dude, it's wrong. You should always. AI has solved it. It's like using a calculator. Do you still do math by paper? Or if every coding language can be converted into English and vice versa, if I can convert code into English and English into code, it's solved. So you really should just learn how to use AI. It's only going to get better. Codename Frank. What's so funny? Okay? You should learn if you're trying to get a job in big tech. You should learn it if you're trying to get a job. For entrepreneur, you should just push AI code. Just slam it. Figure out where you cap out. If you're running into snags, yeah, that's probably on you for not learning how to overcome those snags. At the end of the day, it's like you're only as good as how well you would normally develop. So, like, the errors I get are perfect. Like, I need the errors. But yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to push this offline. YouTube, whoever's out there. Where's YouTube? YouTube. What happened? All right, YouTube, I'm going out. I'm dipping out, YouTube.